Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by defining clear search intent and measurable goals so you target the right keywords. Open Ahrefs Keywords Explorer, paste a seed term or competitor domain, and set country and language. Once done, immediately apply volume and keyword difficulty filters to remove noise. This narrows results to realistic targets. Make sure to switch between broad and phrase match, because that reveals related opportunities quickly. This sequence saves time and surfaces keywords you can feasibly rank for next. You expand your list using phrase match, also rank for, and questions to capture variations and user problems. Then export results and group keywords into topical clusters so pages cover full intent. This boosts topical authority. Once grouped, calculate traffic potential by multiplying position CTR estimates with volume and sort by keyword difficulty versus expected effort. Make sure to flag high CPC terms for commercial opportunity, and note SERP features like featured snippets that change approach. You finalize by turning priority clusters into content briefs with target keywords, headings, and internal linking plans, then assign them to writers and set deadlines. Once published, add keywords to Ahrefs Rank Tracker and monitor for rank movement and SERP feature shifts. If a keyword underperforms, first reevaluate search intent and on-page relevance, then audit backlink gaps and technical issues, because most failures are content mismatch or insufficient links. If needed, update content and promote until performance improves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.